How to add background in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to add background in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, you have to open any video or project that you want to work on the Capcut. Just click this plus sign and import it. Once you have the video, you have to select the video. Then go to this cutout option in the video option and then click auto cut over here. And now it's just going to process and remove the background from your image. You have to be patient at this step as it might take a little time. You can see the progress over here. Once you've removed the background over here, just head to the library section and then choose the background of your choice. You can import any by going to local, import, and then click import and then import a background from your device. I'm going to go over here to the library and then add this background over here. Now you simply have to move your video above it. And now you can just readjust your video. So that's a process that you can follow to add a background in Capcut on your PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.